Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and I'm going to be showing you guys some camera test samples. I pre-ordered mine from Samsung, so I received an instant $100 credit, so I use it to get this fast wireless charger duo. Let's begin the quick unboxing. So here is your main device. I thought I ordered the gray one, but when I look at the box label, it says titanium violet. In my eye, it looks like a black anyway, so it doesn't really matter, especially when I use it with a black case. Inside the box, it also came with a SIM card ejector pin, quick start guide, and USB-C to USB-C for data transfer. This device is IP68, water and dust resistant. The exterior is built with titanium frame. Flat display size is 6.8 inches. This device is also built with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The battery has a 5000 mAh capacity and built with 12 GB of RAM. Here's the camera specs. Comparing to the S23 Ultra, this size is pretty much the same. S23 Ultra is slightly heavier with 8.25 ounces, while S24 Ultra weighs 8.22 ounces. The big noticeable difference is the new flat screen design on the S24 Ultra, while the S23 Ultra has the curved edge screen design. As for the S Pen, I didn't really see a difference with the design, but Samsung upgraded the S Pen, making it more useful with its new AI features. Enough of those specs, and let's roll the camera test samples. One issue that I noticed is when I take a photo in 50 megapixel or 200 megapixel is the overprocessed image and the output looks brighter than the original. To me, I don't really like it when it's overprocessed and I wanted to edit it my way and have control over the image I took. So my workaround when I want to take a higher resolution is to take the photo in RAW format or use the Pro mode and set everything to auto and save it as JPEG. It looks really close to the default normal camera result. So I hope Samsung address this issue on the next camera update and not overprocess the 50 and 200 megapixel image taken from the default camera. On my next video, I will be comparing S23 and S24 Ultra camera, video and photo side by side. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and I will see you on my next one.